Hey guys, welcome to Tailgate Tuesday Roundup edition of Plumbing with Tim. Today my partner and I are hungry, so we're going to find a place to pull off the road and find somewhere to cook a healthy meal. Won't you join me? Today I've got some potato cheddar soup that we're going to boil up, and we're going to eat them inside of some bread bowls. So this ought to be interesting. We're going to get this the stove fired up and going, so I'll check back in with you in just a minute. Mentioned I'm going to fry up some chicken to put in with that potato cheddar soup. This is going to be yummy. This is a healthy alternative to eating garbage while you're out in the field and it's lunchtime. Okay, I've already added a couple cups of water, and we're going to put this pot on the stove and get it to a rolling boil. So like I said, we're going to eat this soup inside of bread bowls, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this. So I've never done this, so bear with me. I got a kind of an idea. We're going to take this bowl with a knife, kind of cut a hole out in the top, like so. Alright, I'm going to take and peel that piece out like that. That's going to be our dipping bread, and then just kind of get rid of the rest of it that's in here to make room for the soup. Kind of like that. Now we got a bread bowl. Water's about ready. We're getting ready to put some soup in it. Okay, so I've already put the chicken in there. We got just a couple more minutes and we're gonna be ready to eat. Have a look at this. Yummy cheddar potato with chicken soup. We're gonna eat that in a bread bowl. Plate of food. What do you say? Oh yeah. Here's the first bread bowl. Just like that. Oh yes. Can you see that? Let's do the second one. Oh my goodness. Can't even begin to tell you how yummy this looks. Let's give it a go. First, a little bit of pepper. Oh yeah, baby. Blacken that thing up with some pepper. Now the taste test. Yummy, delicious cheddar potato with chicken soup on the bread bowl. Oh yeah. Try with a little bit of bread. Quick and easy, healthy. 2 meals for about $7. So that's going to be all the time I have for today. Thanks for stopping by for Tailgate Tuesday Roundup. Remember, there are alternatives to eating fast food when you're a technician out and about in the field. And until next time, try eating some healthy food on the run. Pennies on the dollar. Keep plumbing.